In this video, we'll be restructuring the bot which we have built till now. This is a really simple bot and we can build bots which are a lot more complex. More complicated the bot is, the more functions it's capable of. And if you have all the functions under the same skill, then it gets really complicated when you want to add new functions or when the bot is not working good and you want to troubleshoot which part of the bot is not working good. So it's always better to group similar functionalities under different skills. This will make it a lot simpler to troubleshoot or even add more functionalities in the future. In this bot, we have an image and some text, and based on the reply, either one of these two things are shown. We can assign the start skill to do only this part, which is asking the question and taking the response. Based on the response, we can make two new skills which handle what happens when the user is feeling good or what happens when the user says that he's not feeling good. This section is really small, so I'll leave it here. And in the new skill, we'll be adding the text blocks and the gallery card and the response. And if the user says that he's not feeling good, we'll be sending the user to the new skill which we are going to create. To do that, I'll first need to create a new skill by going here, or because we already have these blocks in this skill, we'll be just duplicating the skill and deleting what's not necessary. To duplicate, right click on start and click duplicate skill. First of all, you'll need to edit the skill name and say feel good. Add a description if you'd like to understand what you added the skill for. And hit save. Once it's saved, the name is wrong, so I'll rename it as feel good and not felt good. So if this has feel underscore good, then this catch also should lead to feel underscore good. So I'll do that. This is because whenever you trigger the feel underscore good skill, this catch block here should catch and execute all of these blocks. And hence you need to ensure that the name of the skill and what's mentioned in the catch block is the same. Once this is cached, we don't need the bot to show this, or this, or this, neither this. So this should directly show take care, and we'll drag this block here and click the home button. Okay, so this is shown, this gallery is shown, and the response is sent. Okay, this looks good. So this skill is now complete. Now going back to the start skill, I'll be deleting all the duplicated blocks and I'll just be adding a send trigger to the feel underscore good skill. To do that, drag out an arrow and go to send to new, blocks, event, and then send. Now here you need to mention the name of the skill, which is feel underscore good. Once that's done, the bot should first ask hi, how are you? And based on the response, it should either show great or it should send it to the feel underscore good skill, which is here. Let's do a quick dry run, and once the agent has been built, open it on Facebook Messenger and trigger the start skill by typing in /start. Once the bot responds, click on I'm not good. Okay, so the contents of this skill is shown, take care, food can help you feel better, this gallery is shown, and based on if I click the get this button, I'll be shown this response, which is now you'll feel good. So this is a really simple way to refactor your single big skill into many multiple small skills. I hope this short video was helpful for you. In the next lecture, we'll be having a look at the switch block. This is Akash from Chatbot Pod. See you in the next lecture.